What lace? What lace, friend, baby? What lace? Because I don't see no lace here, baby. You see some lace, mama? I don't see none.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tay, and I'm back with another one. Before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave that thumbs up so more people can see these videos. And let's get right into the wig review. Hair is already prepped. I got my wig cap on. So now the first thing we do is apply the Got to Be Glued gel all over the hairline. Alright, y'all, so this wig is called Summer Celebrity. I got it 10 inches long in the color black, and the density is 150. Definitely suggest to just be careful and mindful of how you're cutting your lace, because once you cut, you cannot get any extra lace back. You can't add any on, so just be mindful of how much you're cutting. That this hair was cut only to be worn curly, so if you want a straight look, this is not the wig to do so, because the wig does not fall straight evenly. It cuts all around it in flyaways, so I would suggest not straightening the wig at all and wearing it curly, because that's what it's made for. When I got to the ear tabs, I did get a little lazy and I ended up just cutting off lace that I needed. So I ended up cutting my whole sideburn off of the lace, and I had to end up compromising and just working around it. I tried to put some Got to Be glue back on that spot so I could just stick it down, but you know, I try to make up for what I lost in that area. And yes, so this is why it's very important to just make sure, just take your time with your lace front. Anything else you're doing to the hair, you can manipulate it all you want, but when it comes to that lace in the front, you want that baby to blend and look right so that wig can be undetectable, so that lace can be undetectable. So now you want to take your Got to Be Glue free spray and just spray it all around the hairline, and then you're going to let it dry for about maybe 10 seconds. The proper way to do this is to use a blow dryer, but I was in a rush, so I didn't use a blow dryer. I'm fanning it, and after that you just want to glue the lace down. Then those baby hairs. Let's talk about those baby hairs. I cut the baby hairs off myself. It didn't come with baby hairs, so I already did that before I started filming, and I'm just laying it down with some mousse. My favorite parts is actually doing my baby hairs. So one trick I learned before filming the video was to use mousse. If you use gel on your baby hair, it's going to give you that hard defined look, that crisp look, and you want your baby hairs to be nice and flowy and smooth looking. So use mousse for your baby hairs on your wigs. You're welcome. So once we're done with the most important part, I just took some water and sprayed my hair, and then took some mousse and applied that all over my hair so my curls could finally pop and get that definition going. Y'all, you have to see that the hair is soft, the comb is springing the curls back up, and the hair is defined. I really love this look, especially when you want a wet and wavy style.
Alright, y'all, so the wig is installed, and y'all, this wig is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love the way these baby hairs are laid. I love how this lace is literally gone. What lace? What lace, friend, baby? What lace? Because I don't see no lace here, baby. You see some lace, mama? I don't see none. Oh my goodness, look at those curls. That definition, baby, is bomb. This wig is the bomb. I like it. Thank you, Love Me Here, for sending me this wig. It's amazing, especially when the water gets in it. Like, it's just really curly. That definition just pops out. I love the color. Alright guys, so that is it. This is the final look. I do have the Love Me clip in, and I already went ahead and customized the front for myself. I also put some mousse on it. My camera died, so I couldn't really show you guys that, but I laid my baby hairs. I think y'all seen some of that. Let me fix this. I feel so popping with this, like, ew. I'm saying, don't get it twisted. I mean, you just love me here. What I'm gonna do now is just lay some of the flyaways so you guys can see. That's the last thing I have to show you guys. Other than that, this is the finished look. Y'all see your focus? Okay, so I'm just gonna do is put a little bit of my flyaways. I never used this stuff before, but it's supposed to make it lay flat. That's it. I'm gonna add a little bit more, but I'm gonna head out now, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and your girl Tay is signing out. Bye.